Hey friends, if you encounter error 133, no graphics hardware detected on AMD Radeon, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, simply search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager. Go to the Processors tab here and check for both the GPUs. Are they present or is it at least showing here? Even if the statistics are bad, is it at least showing here? If it is not showing, like in my case the AMD Radeon processor is this one, it mentions it specifically, the graphic processing unit. So if it is not showing at all, then that's a problem. Okay, and in that case you'll have to check the connections, you'll have to check whether you actually have the graphics card, you'll have to call a hardware technician for it. But if it is showing, let's say that it's showing here but the statistics are bad and that's why it's not being detected, then simply open the device manager and expand the list for display adapters and right click on the AMD Radeon card and update the drivers. Okay, if this doesn't work, then right click on it and uninstall device. Select action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.